Hey guys, welcome to Digi review. In this video, I'm going to introduce about 4brand, an ultimate branding software used to create logos, mockups, and the animated logo teaser. The quickest and easiest way to create and sell business branding designs in just 3 steps. Step 1, select your template. It generates over 300 million stunning designs based on the performance. Based on the preference, pick your template, assorted range of options to create a logo, mockup, or logo teaser video. Step 2, customize. Simply drag and drop elements to redesign the existing template to match the brand identity. Step 3, save and sell. With the click of a button, download your final designs for the personal use or sell them to clients for big bucks. 4brand is built for entrepreneurs and the marketers across all levels. It has nothing to download or install, just log in and see how fast you get paid. No prior experience is required. It has zero learning curve, easy to understand, just choose and change. Newbie and friendly created, keeping both first timers and part timers in mind, and early users love it. 4brand will create any business branding design you need for business or for the clients at lightning speed. Here are the few examples of the logos. Example, if we give the company name and the slogans will be generated, and the mockups. It will like very graphical way it will be created, and the logo intros in such a very beautiful way it will be created. The branding graphics with respect to pets, food, and the infrastructure. If you're interested to know the product, please check out the link in the description box. One-time payment. There is no monthly fees required, and so it has a 25 agency seats included. Start your branding and marketing agency now. Heck no, you are never going to come across a better deal than this. Buy today, pay once, create and sell hundreds of business branding designs. There are 2 variants. Starter as the Elite. Starter, its price range of $57, whereas Elite its range of $67. And you can see like some of the features of the starter as well as the Elite. Also, it has a 100% money back guarantee. If you need an instant access, please check out the link in the description box. Thanks for watching. If the video is useful, please do like and subscribe.